So I'm back in Paris now, as you can see. It's starting to feel like springtime here. Let me see if I can get this cool out on me. It's starting to feel like springtime in Paris, and like that is my favorite time in Paris. It's not too hot. There's not that many tourists yet. Like, it's great. It's making me really happy. Like, I don't know if you guys are like this, but the weather has such a big impact on my mood, and this has been like the longest winter of life. So I'm really excited for springtime to come. I'm walking to the office now. I just had a dermatologist appointment. It has been such a busy weekend. It's only Tuesday. I'm gonna be traveling so much the next few weeks. I think I'm gonna be, and I said I wanted to travel, so like it's funny when like you say something and then like it manifests in your life. But I'm literally gonna be in like a new country every week until April, and it's the first week of March. So I'm gonna be, I think, Luxembourg, Zurich, back to Luxembourg, possibly London, and then Venice, Italy. So lots of traveling, and that's not even like, that's like for work. That's not even like my trip, which I have planned in April, which I'm so excited about. So voila, I'm walking along the river now. It's just so cute. I'm walking along the river now, going back to work. Like, I'm so thankful that like I live here. This is just like the coolest experience. As you can see, I am back in Paris right now. I got back from London at like 10 last night, and then I had to be at the client's office this morning at 8:30 for a meeting that started at 9. And I have to fly to Zurich tomorrow morning. So, you know, it's funny, like you know how people say like be careful what you wish for? Like, be careful what you wish for. I was like, yeah, I want to travel, I'm ready, I'm so excited. Here I am traveling every week, and I'm just like exhausted. In a good way though. I think, at least for me, it's important to feel like I'm growing and I'm learning, so I'm definitely doing that, but it is not easy. God has a sense of humor. That is all I'm going to say. God is hysterical. Like, he has such a good sense of humor. But yeah, back in Paris. I'm gonna go to the gym during lunch. I think I need it. And yeah, I will see you guys later. How cool is this courtyard, guys? So cool. I'm leaving a client that's behind me. Keep it private, but how cool is this? Hey guys, it's like actually nice out for once. I'm walking to the metro now. Lighting's not that good, but yeah, I finally put my hair up in a bun, and like I think it turned out okay. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the metro. Je vous envoie après à la maison. so good.